Nestled within the Potomac Gorge, Scotts Run Nature Preserve is a gem of the mid-Atlantic region, shaped by the erosive forces of the Potomac River. Its floodplains, rocky cliffs, and narrow valleys harbor a rich diversity of plant and animal life, forming a unique and remarkable ecosystem. Despite its allure, Scotts Run poses potential hazards to visitors due to swift currents and underwater obstacles created by the dynamic interaction of rocks and rivers. Caution and awareness are paramount when exploring this natural wonderland, especially where Scotts Run meets the Potomac River. Nevertheless, Scotts Run Nature Preserve remains a sanctuary of unparalleled beauty and ecological significance within the Fairfax County Park Authority system. Amidst encroaching urban development, it stands as a refuge for rare plants and delicate ecosystems. Spring brings a spectacle of wildflowers to Scotts Run, with the forest floor adorned in trailing arbutus, Virginia bluebells, and sessile trillium. Towering hemlocks, remnants of a distant subarctic era, punctuate the mature hardwood forest, offering a glimpse into the region's geological past. Hiking through Scotts Run offers both challenges and rewards. Trails meander through wooded paths and steep hills, revealing a diverse tapestry of landscapes. Rocky outcrops adorned with delicate blooms contrast with tranquil streams, inviting exploration and appreciation of Fairfax County's natural heritage. We invite you to join in preserving the beauty and biodiversity of Scotts Run Nature Preserve. Efforts to protect this natural treasure depend significantly on the support of volunteers. Organizations such as the Potomac Heritage Trail Association, the Nature Conservancy, and the Park Authority work tirelessly to maintain and restore the delicate balance of this unique ecosystem.